If you're seeing the error PayPal can't transfer your money, don't worry, this is a common issue and can usually be fixed with a few simple steps. Many beginners face this problem while trying to withdraw funds, but the solution is often straightforward. In this video, I'll guide you step by step so you can resolve it without any confusion. First, open the PayPal app or website and sign into your account using your email and password. Go to the Wallet section and check if your bank account or card is properly linked. If it's not linked, add your bank account details and complete the verification process. Next, make sure your account is fully verified. Go to Settings and check if PayPal is asking for identity verification, email confirmation, or phone verification. Completing these steps can remove restrictions that prevent transfers. Another common reason is insufficient balance or currency issues. Ensure you have enough funds in your PayPal balance and that you are transferring in a supported currency. You may need to convert your balance before transferring. Sometimes, PayPal may limit transfers due to security checks. If this happens, wait for some time and try again later. Avoid making multiple attempts in a short period, as this can trigger additional restrictions. Also, check if your bank supports transfers from PayPal. In some cases, certain banks may block transactions. Contact your bank to confirm if everything is enabled for online transfers. If you recently received money, it might still be on hold. In that case, wait until the funds are available before trying to transfer. In short, verify your account, check your bank link, ensure sufficient balance, and resolve any holds to fix this issue. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tutorials like this.